Lost treasures are at the Mississippi River. I caught something on here. Let's see if I can pull it off. Kind of hard to get. There. What do you call that? A giant nut? See what else is on here.